Hello everybody. It is January 19th, 2019, and I'm out here at the little test tank today. I've got another motor here. This one I did a kind of a build thread on the AOMCI site on current projects. This is a 1959 Evinrude Sportwin 10 horse. I bought this motor from Tom Green at Tomahawk AOMCI meet last year, back in August. It had a bad power head on it. I did an earlier video on this motor. I actually ran this one on the pond as I got it from Tom. Since then, on the build thread, I stripped it all the way down. The steering handle was broken. The power head was bad. I had purchased another motor at Tomahawk for parts, and that one had what seemed to be a pretty solid power head on it, so I put the power head from that motor on this one. That was a 59 Johnson QD, and the new steering handle came from Johnson 7.5 horse as 56 AD10, and everything else was okay pretty much, other than it was dirty. Cleaned it up. The gear case turned out okay. I drained the oil out, had good clean oil in it, pressure checked it, seals tested good. So after I got everything put all back together, I did the full tune-up, got new coils, points, condensers, plugs, plug wires, rebuilt the carburetor with an OMC carb kit, new fuel line, new air line, cleaned the fuel filter, new power head base gasket, and new water pump impeller, and a new impeller housing. So it's got a brand new water pump. The wear plate was almost brand new that was in it, so I didn't replace that, but everything else is brand new. So this is the first start since the rebuild, and it's cold, and it's really cold because it's about 19 degrees here, maybe less now. Sun's starting to go down, it's starting to get dark, and the wind's blowing, and I just got done plowing about 6 inches of snow. So we're going to give this thing a rip here and see if we can get it to go. I haven't done any tuning or anything on this yet. Probably should pop the top off of it because I'm going to have to do some adjustments. Alright, pull choke, throttle up. Gloves on. Woo. after it warms up, I think it's going to be okay. Had to richen it up a little bit from one turn out. Yeah, it's pretty cold to try to dial it in out here, but it's running. I think it's going to be okay. When it warms up a little bit, we'll try it again and get it on the boat and see how it does. Till next time, thanks for watching. Keep your prop out of the mud.